This ran at 5 a.m. while I was asleep. My AI read my inbox, drafted every reply, and handed me a summary before I woke up. And I didn't touch it. This is called a Claude routine. Everybody's saying routines are killing N8N. Well, that's wrong. The real story is whenever you combine routines with Claude Code as one stack. That's where it's powerful. And I built this kind of automation for IBM, JP Morgan Chase, and now Pfizer. And with YouTubers with over 150,000 subscribers. And I'm going to show you how to do this. 2 real routines that I run, then we're going to build one live, and then look at Claude Code and the commands that come with it. Let's go. Well, the first thing is, what is exactly a Claude routine? Well, a routine is a saved Claude configuration. So it's basically, it can be a prompt, one or more repositories, and a set of connectors. So by connectors, this could be Gmail, Slack, Apify, Google Calendar, anything that you can connect Claude Code with. That's packaged and you can run it automatically. So they execute on Anthropic managed cloud infrastructure, which is why you don't have to worry about your laptop being on to run these. There are 3 ways to trigger one. You can either schedule them at a specific time through an API or through GitHub. So think of it like this. A skill in Claude Code tells Claude what steps to take. A routine tells Claude what steps to take and when to do it without you being there. That's it. That's the whole feature. The rest is what you decide to do with that. Well, let's look at the first routine that I have, and I'm going to go through the Claude web just so you can visually see this better. So Claude.ai/code/routines. These are where they currently live. So I have one called daily summary or email summary at 6 a.m. So whenever I open this, these are the instructions that is given as part of this routine so one needs to do something. So for instance, right here, I had the connector, which is Gmail. This runs daily at 6 a.m. Eastern. These are all of the runs that have already been scheduled and run. So you can see they're all like 6:01, 6:02 a.m. That's when they're scheduled in order to send me an update of everything from my email from the previous day, basically. We summarize the key point in one sentence. We draft the response for any emails marked urgent or action needed. And here are just some of the labels that I want to assign to them. And that's it, right? This is currently active, and this was something simple, right? You'll probably see a lot of examples of this when you deal with routines, because this is something that you can start with just to know how it works. But just because it's simple, don't confuse that with not being helpful. Sometimes simple are the best things that you can do because they can save you the most time. And if I were to come in here, here I get some things that are urgent. These are just things from GitHub. Here is something from Apify, and it just kind of gives me a full breakdown of everything that had gone through and decided were a part of the instructions. Okay, so here's some actions that I may need, I may not need to take, but it went ahead and decided that for me in the morning, so I can just clearly see right here what I need to do. And for another routine that helps me out with TikTok and basically short form content is I have something that runs every Monday at 9 a.m. that actually now has Apify and Slack as the connectors. So here are the instructions. So it's going to use Apify's MCP servers with these, it's going to use these hashtags to do some searching, figure out what is potentially trending or not. So it's going to also generate 5 reel or short form videos, give me the title, the hook, a 30-second script outline, which trend or angle it's leverages, etc. Okay, so it's basically going to do all of this. And again, so every Monday, I'm going to receive this. And you can see the schedule here when it's taking place. So if I look at today, here is exactly what it returned to me. So let me come here to the weekly Claude TikTok trend report. So here are some trending things related to Claude that have done well that I could take a look at, and maybe I could do something similar. Right. So here are top 3 hook patterns. Here's the format breakdown, some keyword momentum and by who, and here are some real and short ideas for the week, broken down by video that I could potentially do. And what this does is allows me to look, and as I'm reading this out loud and going through this myself, I say, okay, you know what, this is a good idea, and this is an easy way to kick off some reels that I can create for the week. And this is just with TikTok, right? You can do this with Instagram, you can go through LinkedIn, YouTube analysis, etc. Right? And this is a simple way that I had to have nothing running. It's on Anthropic's cloud infrastructure, so you don't have to worry about this with your computer being on. And this is exactly because it had Slack, the output gets sent to my Slack. So this is what I do see in my Slack. Okay, well, that's great. So now let's go ahead and just build one ourselves from scratch. So we're gonna do this on the web first. So if you go to Claude.ai, you log in with your subscription. Then on the products, you go to code, and then you'll see routines right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is at the top right, we say new routine, and we'll call this weekly business scorecard. And for the instructions, here's what I'm basically doing. It's using my Supabase project, pull out this week's business numbers and post a scorecard to Slack, query the business table, right? It's basically going to a database that already has information. I wanted to pull those metrics in and then just give me a takeaway of what's been happening as trend-wise over the past so many weeks. So I want this to be scheduled. Here's where I can choose once, hourly, daily, weekdays, etc. This can be custom. I want this to be done weekly. And let's just do, how about we do 6 a.m. and how about every Sunday morning? Okay, so I don't need, it defaults to all of the triggers here. And I already have Supabase, so I don't really need Apify, I don't need Escaladraw. You could keep some of these others on here if you really want to, but I just want to maybe just do Slack and Supabase. If you want to add a connector, you can see right here, there's a little spot for add connector. You can add a connector, and these are only going to be available, the ones that you have connected to already. If you don't have any connected to, I will show you how to do this. We can come back to that. But for now, I'm just going to go choose create. Now, if you do want to add connectors, right here is the customize button on the top left. You go to customize, go to connectors. Right here are all the connectors that I have. You can just click the plus button, go to browse connectors, and just search for anything you want, right? So for instance, let's say I want Microsoft 365, there's Slack, Google Calendar, there's HubSpot, Linear, Monday, etc. If you want to add any of these, you can certainly do that right here, and then they will become available for you to use in your routines. But now, coming back to this, okay, so that was fairly easy. This is now an active routine, but you always want to test it to make sure that it actually works before we move further, right? Because I could have something wrong here. For instance, I didn't really give it a Slack channel to actually post to, so I don't know which one's what it's going to do. But let's go ahead and click run now, and this is a way we can test it to see what's actually working. Once you start running it, you can click into it to see how it's going to work and what's going to error out potentially or not. All right, great. And what you're going to see here is that I've also modified because I thought, you know what, maybe there's more I want to get from there. So here are some tables that I saved for when I work out, just to track how I'm doing and what I need to be doing. And so it gave me these snapshots of that. And so then I can go back and edit this routine by going to routines, going to weekly business scorecard, and then I want to, there's a edit button right up here, 30 days to compare. Then I'm going to click save. Okay, and then now it will do that. So on the next run, it will give me a comparison of all of my workouts, not just everything else I've been doing. And that's great. This was done through Claude Web, but if you're like me, I kind of prefer to live inside of Claude Code on the terminal, although I use CMux, but you may just be using the terminal, but you can certainly do it through here in Claude Web. But I'm going to show you the other way on how to do it in the terminal. All right, so now I am in CMux for my terminal. This is what I prefer. This is amazing in my opinion. But there are two commands you need to know. There's /loop, and there's also a /scheduled. /scheduled is what, if you can see in the description, actually runs or creates the routines that get scheduled in the cloud. /loop just is like basically here while this is on, like while you have Claude open and while your computer is on, right? It's solely dependent on having your computer on, whereas scheduled will create it as a routine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this prompt in, say every weekday at 8 a.m., scan my Gmail for sponsorship and brand deals, post a summary with the deadlines to my Slack AI channel. And I know I spelled that wrong. That's okay. It knows. Every weekday at 8 a.m., scan my Gmail for sponsorship and brand deals and post a summary with my deadlines to my Slack AI channel. It knows this is a recurring schedule job. So that's exactly what the /schedule skill is for, what I literally just talked about. So it's going to load that, and it's going to go ahead and do this. Now it's saying Slack isn't connected as a cloud AI connector, even though I know that it is. It is connected when you create this, okay? Just create as I mentioned. I don't know why For some reason, I've already disconnected and reconnected Slack a couple of times, and it's still saying it's not connected on the web, but it is. So I'm just going to force it to because I wanted to scan Gmail and then just post to a Slack channel just so that you can see it. And what's going to do is whenever it actually goes to create this routine, we'll also see it on the web, which is a better UI for a lot of people to actually see and then modify it as they see fit. But while you're in here, you can also I just want to show you that you can create this in Claude Code and it'll generate it for the web. It created a routine, sponsorship and brand deal inbox scan. It's just telling me everything about it. It's still giving me issues with Slack. I honestly do not know why. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Chrome. I'm going to refresh all of my routines. And here it is, the sponsorship and brand deal inbox scan. So now what I need to do is modify this. I need to add a connector, Slack, save. Okay, and now, yeah, import only read Gmail and post to Slack. Okay, so let's just go ahead and run this. Always test. So I'm just going to start this now. It says workflow started. So if we look right here, it's trying to do this now. And it's going to just take a minute to initialize the session, read all my Gmail, and then post to Slack, and I'll show you an example of that. Okay, so it finished here. After running, it's a summary of findings, 1 confirmed deal, 2 urgent, etc. So now if I go to my AI channel right here, here it is that it sent to my Slack channels, right? Just to show you that it actually can work this way. And that was it, right? That was fairly simple to set up within Claude Code as well. So you have 2 places that you can actually create these routines. And now just remember, loop is only for the session and it's not going to stay running forever. Whereas the routines, once you create it, it will run forever and you don't have to have your laptop or your computer on to keep it running. So I have routines for helping me what to eat for the day, how I've been eating, etc. We just created a couple. I have an Instagram daily brief, what had worked the previous day, weekly YouTube video ideas, the TikTok trend analysis, I think I've already mentioned to you, another Instagram competitor list, which is a little different, email triage, like these are just all ones that you can also create, right? And they have different connectors and you can have many more connectors depending on what you need to use it for, okay? Connectors are just things you can use on the outside, such as Linear, Asana, Google Calendar, Gmail, etc. Right? Anything that you need to connect to kind of get information from, you can do that here. So listen, I want you to pick one task this week to create a routine with, okay? You do have a subscription to Claude, of course. So pick one thing that you think that will save you some time. I don't care how simple it is. You can use one of my examples, such as the email triage, right? Just understand what emails, you typically look for each day. Create a routine, give the instructions to look for those, and then just schedule it every morning just to look at the results and see what works, okay? Just do that, and I promise you that will help you. So inbox triage, competitor research, social media digests, whatever it is, turn it into a Claude routine this week. I have a link in the description to sign up for my newsletter and to get free Claude skills that you can start using today. And you join my free school community for everything that I have for you to use today and right now to get you going to help make you money and save time. Thank you for watching. Here are more videos for you to watch right now.